Want to create stunning screen recordings that grab attention without spending hours editing? Meet Screen.Studio, the pro screen recorder for Mac that makes your videos look amazing, automatically, powered by AI. If you've used Loom or QuickTime for screen recording, you'll be familiar with the general interface. You know that those are great for quick captures, but they don't give your videos that polished professional edge. This is where Screen.Studio really stands out. You can easily set your recording area to exactly the size you want, press record, and you're good to go. I know what you're probably thinking, oh, it records my screen, what is so special about this? What really sets Screen.Studio apart is how it automatically tracks your mouse movements and clicks, zooming in smoothly on important actions without manual editing. This means that your viewers will always see exactly what matters most, and your videos will look cinematic, perfect for tutorials, product demos, or social clips. For the best results, keep your mouse movements intentional and steady, and Screen.Studio's AI will handle the rest. Okay, so you've been watching this video example, and I'm doing my best to be intentional about my mouse clicks and to emphasize where I want there to be the attention in my video. You'll see that I'm trying to draw attention to turning the sticky note red and adding an emoji. Now let's move into the editing process. Once you finish your recording, Screen.Studio will automatically open up an iMovie-esque video editor designed for speed and simplicity. Right away, you'll notice that Screen.Studio has already added smooth zooms and pans to highlight your key actions, making your video look professionally edited without any manual work. As mentioned earlier, this is where the slow and intentional mouse movements and clicks come into play. Screen.Studio guessed where I wanted to emphasize based on my mouse movements. The more intentional your mouse movements, the better it can predict where you want to emphasize. Now, it does a pretty good job, but it's not always perfect. If you want even more precision, you can change the zoom level in the sidebar, or switch from auto to manual zoom. This lets you select exactly what area of the screen you want to focus on, perfect for moments when you want to emphasize something that isn't tied to a mouse click or when Screen.Studio didn't capture exactly what you wanted to show. Each zoom will appear as a purple block on the zoom timeline, and you can easily extend a zoom clip by dragging its edges to control how long the zoom stays active. When you extend a zoom, the zoomed-in view will smoothly follow your mouse movements during that segment, keeping the focus exactly where the action is happening. If you want to create a new zoom, just click anywhere on the zoom timeline at the point that you want to emphasize. You can apply auto or manual zoom to each clip individually, or apply zoom level to all of your clips at the same time. You can easily control the speed of your clips or typing for a more dynamic and polished feeling video. Just right-click on the clip and change the speed. Another key feature is cursor customization. You can choose to hide the cursor on select clips or altogether if it's not relevant for your video. You can also select your cursor style, size, and duration that it is visible. Screen.Studio allows you to easily customize your backgrounds to make your recording stand out or be on brand. After recording, you can switch out your default background for a solid color, a gradient, or even a custom image, perfect for removing that background clutter to create a clean and professional look or add a branded touch. And here's the final result, a clean, smooth, professional-looking screen recording that looks like I hired a video animator. And just a quick note, this video is not sponsored, though shout out Screen.Studio, call me. I just genuinely enjoy making demos for tools that I actually use in my day-to-day workflow, and this one seriously delivers. So try it out, or don't. Doesn't matter.